Tommy, you guys selling that car you got the other day? No? I need to find a car. Huh?
3 models here. Selling them.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, John's crazy fucking girlfriend broke mine. That wagon. So I had to strip the wagon as a mom.
This one's a nice one.
Another wagon?
Yeah. It's Muson's. I don't know where he is. Selling it to him today.
How much you selling it to him for?
50.
Damn. Then that's Joey's Imperial.
That's Jamie's.
Or Jamie's.
And that's Jamie Dustin's, but he hasn't showed up yet.
And these are all going to them?
Yeah.
This one's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you took an Impala back in and just took a Dodge body.
I made it myself. It's a Plymouth GTX. I used to use some for sale sign for the roof. And
Nice.
yeah. That one's been done for a year.
Yeah, I saw the pictures. I was like, why didn't he make a video yet?
It's getting sold today though. I was gonna
Yeah.
bring it here last year, but
Never game.
yeah,
Yeah.
it wasn't worth it.
But this year you're gonna make about 150 off them.
140, 130, 140, something like that.
Oh, sweet.
One's in the case for 150.
I need to go pick up another Dodge mo. That green Dodge I had done, I had to strip the rear axle out of that because it broke in two. And then John's crazy girlfriend broke my wagon, so now I have to build that again. It's gonna be a badass heat.
Couldn't even get up the ramp.
Grass. I think there's Imperial.
What do you think you're doing?
Is there an Imperial heat?
If there was more than 6 of them, I only see one.
I see one over there.
That's not an Imperial.
Are you sure?
Buick. What one?
The one that's crushed up.
That's the Buick. Or Cadillac. What is that? Buick? Joey's? It's got the post.
Is McLean coming here?
No, he's in Loudon.
Oh, he ain't? Gee, I wonder why.
Yeah, racing. Still gotta get there today.
What?
You can watch the whole thing, like qualifying and stuff.
Bush race today.
Yeah.
Well, when you come in, they're
Always get the DVR going before you leave.
just come right straight back to the garage. You see all the cars parked behind you.
I tell you what, we won't have to worry about someone catching on fire. Huh?
Motors in them 2 cars. $4,000 motors.
That one in the wagon looks like it's a 360 motor.
It's a Chevy though.
Don't matter, change the mounts, put a Mopar motor in. You never know what people will run out here.
It's got, I don't know what it's built. Pretty sure stuff's hidden there.
My car was all set to go, had the tranny cooler in it. I had the radiator protector. Oh, these got 'em?
No, these don't have them.
Those do.